Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious, good looking, tasty okra soup, the Nigerian okra soup. Stick around, I'll show you how I made it. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. If you're returning, thank you so much. So these are the recipes we'll be needing today. I'll obviously need our goat meat. If you have cow meat, beef, regular beef, that's fine. But for me, I'll be using goat meat. Fresh fish, those are salmon fishes. I'll be baking them to dry them a bit. And of course, our okra. One of them I'll be chopping up and one I'll be blending it. And bell peppers, for this recipe, I actually used two, but I showed you one. Crayfish, palm oil. We need our prawns. And then we need our vegetable. You can use pumpkin leaf, you can use spinach, anyone. Go ahead. We're going to be chopping up our bell peppers. You can use as much bell peppers as you want. We are chopping them in large chunks. We're going to be using the food processor to, kind of like blend this one up. And then I'll be chopping this part of the okra. This one I'm going to be chopping them. And then the other one, I'll be blending them. Because I want it to be half and half. I want to be able to have chunks of okra in my soup. And then I want the sliminess as well. It's going to be yummy though. You just chop them up like so, and that's how it should be. And then I'll be blending the other half of it, just giving it a good blend. You can just blend it for like a minute if you still want more chunks, but I want it smooth. And then right away we're going to be cooking up our beef. Put some onions and stock cubes. And the pepper you want, habanero. For this recipe I'm using habanero peppers. I'll be using the pressure pot because this goat's meat is so tough, really. And if you're using the pressure pot, 40 minutes is enough. And then right ahead, our goat meat is done cooking. We are jumping into the main cooking process. Heat up your pan, put in your palm oil, and then right away throw in your onions. You're gonna just be frying them for a little bit. And then we're frying up our bell peppers and all the peppers we processed. Give it a good stir. And then we're going to put in our chopped okra. Just give it a good stir, just for a little bit, for about a minute or two. If you fry your okra, it has a different taste than you putting in the stock and then putting the okra. If you fry it, it gives it a little more taste, like it's more tastier. And then you put in your blended okra. We're gonna still be frying it. It smells so good, guys. It smells so good. Try out this recipe, guys, and let me know how it went. Give me a comment, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if there's any other recipe you would love for me to try out. Just let me know as well. Look at that. It's already thickening up. And then we'll put in our crayfish. Yeah, lots of crayfish. And then that's my habanero pepper I blended up. Give it a good stir. Marry the ingredients together. Stir it all up. And then we're putting in our stock cubes. And then our goat's meat stock. Yeah, it's gonna be boiling and then it's gonna look good. Put in your stock from your meat. Give it a good stir. And then if you wanna add a little salt, this is the time you should add it. Then we're putting in our goat meat, our beef. We put in our shrimps, our prawns. And then the fish I baked in the oven. I love salmon fish, guys. Salmon fish is so thick, it's so nutritious. I just love salmon fish. I would have just put it right away, cook it a bit and put it in here, but I didn't want it to get scattered in the pot, so I baked it for a few minutes, like for maybe 30-45 minutes, and then stir it all up. Then we're gonna let this boil. Don't cover your okra, don't cover the pot, because it's gonna become more watery. So just leave the pot open, and then put in some salt if you want to taste, and then let it boil for a minute, for about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes on medium heat. Then put in your vegetables, your pumpkin, your scent leaf, your spinach, any one you have, and immediately you put in your pumpkin. That's it. Put off the gas. Your food is cooked. And there you go, guys. We are done cooking our okra soup. It looks so good. It tastes so good. I tasted it already. There you go. Thank you, guys. If you stuck around to the end, please subscribe, like this video, share it, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.